So this is how you launch your website to the internet. So first you have to go to github.com. Github.com is the site that helps you to launch your website to the internet. So that's the backbone of launching your website. You use github.com with VS Code to launch your website to the internet. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to use VS Code and github.com to launch your website to the internet. So first you sign up. So now I'm gonna sign up to GitHub. Okay, this okay, my email. Mm, okay. So the next thing I want to do is add my password. So I'm going to be adding my password. So I'm going to be adding my username. Oh, they say the username is not available, so I'll pick from the available ones. Okay, I'll pick from the available emails. See that code that 24 bits is available, so that's what I'm gonna pick. Okay, say they want me to verify my account, so I'm going to be verifying it. Oh, I'm going to solve a puzzle. Let's see the puzzle. Use the arrow to rotate the face in the direction of the hand. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it to face the direction of the hand. Okay, so now I'm going to click on submit. Okay. All right, so they send a code to me. So so the code just entered, so I'm going to add it. 8 okay, 8. Okay, so now I've logged in and I'm in the face. This is the front page. This is the landing page of the GitHub. So I'll just see at the left top, I'm going to create repository. So I've already clicked there, so I'm trying to create my repository. So repository just like a folder. It's just like a folder in GitHub. So now when I click on create repository, the my repository, this is the page they brought me to. So now I'm going to create my repository. This is my name. This is my name, as you can see. So I'm going to pick my repository name as my first my first website. Alright, you can use any name you want. So every other thing is okay. Okay, so after that they say that the my first website is available. So now I think every all right, okay, no, I'm going to add readme file. I'm going to add readme file. So after that I want to create my repository now. So I'm going to create my repository. It's going to take a minute, just a few, just or a second or something like that to create. So and now I'm creating. So now I'll click at the logo at the top right, you can see, and I'll click on my first website. This is the repository. So now I'll just go straight to code. I'll go straight to code. Okay, you see code and you go straight to code, then copy the code. This is the code to your website, even though it's not yet launched. So now we're back to VS Code. You can see my first website, then you can see the readme code, the readme md that you I want to check something. Okay, so you can see the readme md that is there. Okay, so you can see that your website is already there in VS Code. Okay, so now we're going to start you're going to start now. Okay, let's folder. So all right. I think I edited this twice. All right, so now we're going to go to welcome. I'm sorry. So the first thing I want to do now is click on new terminal, new terminal. So now we can also get terminal with control backtick. So now we are going to add cd dot dots. So now when you add cd dot dots, you click on enter. When you enter, you're going to put git clone, then the code you copied, that's control V, paste the code you copied, the link you copied, or I don't know. So now you're going to see something. You're going to see something. You might see something longer, but then I've used this code before, or I've come here before, so you say a very different thing. Okay, so you're now going to cd my first website. Okay, so I'm going to click enter. Okay, git config username. So you're going to use any username of your choice. So I'm going to use Steven as my username. Alright, so I made a mistake. I added global the first time I wrote it, so I didn't see any change. Okay, I was seeing a lot of they were telling me that there was an error. They were telling me that there was an error. You're going to see it now. I added global between the config and username. So okay, so now I'm going to add the correct thing. So what I'm going to add now is git config user dot name, then I'm going to add my name, then you're going to click on enter. So after that you're going to add git config user dot email, then you're going to add your email. You can see at the top, you can see I wrote it out for more understanding, for better understanding. So then the next thing you want to write is git config hyphen lists list. So now you're going to see a lot of long you're going to scroll down and you see end. This is end. So yeah, so when you see this end, for me I just go to Q terminal at the top, sorry, at the bottom right. Okay, I'm going to Q terminal. So it's either you go to terminal or you just click control backtick. So now we are back. So we're now you're back to your terminal. So you're going to be adding more extra things. So the first thing you're going to add now is git add dots. So that's, you click enter, you click git commit hyphen m. So you're going to add any commit of your choice. You can write I love my job, I love being a developer, I love working on the website. You can just write anything. So I wrote so I'm going to be writing I'm going to be writing I love my job. So that's what I'm going to be writing. Okay, I love my job. So I love my job, I love what I do. Okay, so now after that you just click on enter. So now the next thing you want to write is um is okay, this part of this development gives a lot of issues. Sometimes they will ask you to log into your GitHub. So now I've just add a git push origin main. So that's it. You're going to see some things there. So you just need to so that's it. So now we're going to be going back to our GitHub. We're going to be going back to our GitHub. So I changed the website name to my first website too, because I noticed that I had a similar repository. Okay, so now you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to settings. So now you're going to go to pages. So now you're going to go to visit sites. So now you're already in your site. This is your site. As you can see, your site is already launched. Now if you copy this code and take it to any browser, you're going to get into this site. Now if you write a code on CSS or HTML, is going to reflect on your website till you're done with your website. So that's how to launch your website to the internet. Just try copying the code and going to another browser.